Hello, so this is my course reflection discussion for JTC 505. For the first learning objective, I feel like I met this objective, and I feel that way because I learned a lot of things that I never took into consideration in terms of knowing my audience, um, like, for example, their age or even their socioeconomic status. For learning objective number 2, I also feel like I met this learning objective because I was able to successfully complete the communication consultant assignment series. And with learning objective number 3, I also believe that I met this learning objective also in relation to the communication consultants assignment series. And I was able to go through the theories, which did take some time to actually learn which theories were applied to my communication issue that I was focusing on for this assignment. But with the help of Dr. Ward, I was able to really pinpoint two theories that I was able to work with. And with learning objective number 4, this one I also feel like I met. And that is because overall this objective seemed to be focused on throughout the entirety of the course. And I think this objective was most important for being relied upon for many situations regarding personal communication matters, professional communication matters at work, or even educational matters such as being a student in this class. Overall, each objective I feel was successfully covered in the course, and I really appreciate all the knowledge that I gained from this course. And I'm glad to be a 2020 graduate of CSU. Thank you.